Hey you guys, so we're back with another hair review. Okay, so this is from Gorgius Hair. That again, because they keep your girl laced up, you feel me? This is long overdue. Life got in the way, so I couldn't do this review, but now I'm doing this review, so what's up? Alright. Now, I know what they sent me, but I haven't seen it yet. So I'm just going to open it for you guys. I haven't seen it in person. Oh my god, I should have opened this before I got my hair. Okay. Again, you know, we always love this box. Like, come on. Alright, let's go in because you know I don't like to do too much with the reviews, right? Okay, so, ooh. Let's see the gifts, because you know I like gifts. You feel me? Okay, so wig cap. We always can use some wig caps. And we got this little gorgeous pouch. And inside of the pouch, we got an edge control brush. We got some clips, because we can always use that. And I just ran out of these. I just couldn't find my other one. So, boom. And then we have some extra elastic band. We always love to secure the wig. And we got some more clippy clips. And yes, so now we're going to get to the meat of the sandwich. Let's put that right here. So y'all can get like, you know, a view of the box. Yeah. Okay, so the bag is like this. Gorgius hair. Let's do what we gotta do. She is, I want to say like a blonde, but like, I don't know, like a highlight situation. Yes, honey. But she's a bang. She's like the other wig I had, just a different color. Look at these curls. Can y'all see the curls? I hope so. Look at these curls, baby. I'm about to put her on right now. Let me get some spray and let me put my hair in a wig cap. Okay, so we got it on. I should have braided my hair down a little better because it's a little puffy, but let's just hope it goes on. Okay. I'm fine. Let's do it. So inside you already get a band, which is excelente, baby. You get the band and you got 3 combs, 2 on the side and 1 at the bottom. Hope y'all can see that. So let's put her on and see how she look without, you know, spraying her or cutting her. Let's see. Ooh. So what I will say is definitely, most definitely, braid your hair down a little better. Okay, so she's a short mama. Okay. She's a short. I don't even think I have to cut her. Okay, let's spray her up. Spray you up, boo. Yeah. If you hear my dogs in the background, that's my dogs in the background. They got their own time and they don't care if I'm recording or not. They don't care if I'm trying to get these coins. They don't care. But what they do care about is their food and toys. Just using me. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Ooh. I like her already. I dead brung my scissors and everything because I really thought I would have to cut her. But it's given she ready. You know? Like, I honestly... So you could wear her like this, right? And the hoops is given for this type of hairstyle for me. You know, I don't know, I like my... When I have curly hair, I like to wear hoops. I really didn't really have to cut it. But I'm going to just cut it just as I cut it. This part right here. And then like this part is just given in my face. Let me just shape it a little bit more. Excuse me, but that's it. Spray it a little more. So I'm going to insert a video or videos and pictures of me. Honestly, I'm shocked that I don't really have to cut it. But I'm gonna insert videos or a video or some pictures of me. So what I'm doing right now is just scrunching it up to define the curls a little bit more. If you have you can just run, you see how the curls activate as I ran my fingers through it. I spray it and I can run it through it. Then I will crunch it up. But what was I saying? I will have a video or videos or pictures of me styling the hair. Because right now, that's not the purpose of the video. The purpose of the video is just to show you guys that you can literally take it out the box, wet it, and go. Like, I didn't even put any product on it. I barely cut it, as y'all saw. But yes, honey, look at that. Ooh, what's up? I like this. I did not even put no product on it. So imagine if you put like a curl pudding or whatever curly products you like to use. Imagine if you did that. I'm probably going to throw some mousse in it and then define it a little more with my paddle brush or whatever. But I like it. Definitely, you know, like I said in the last video, you can pull it back and like do your edges. Something like that. I like to personally pull it back and just do my edges. I like to do that. Most of the time that's what I did with the black one. I'll insert some pictures to it, y'all want to see that, you know. Oh, and don't worry. First of all, look how she move. Look how she move. But don't worry, y'all, because I would never come to y'all showing y'all this luscious greatness and these beautiful curls without a discount code. It's right here. It's right here. Don't worry. You don't gotta like rush to get a pen and paper. I'm gonna leave it right there for a little second, a little minute. And it's gonna be in the description down below. But it's right here. Gang. Screenshot it, whatever you wanna do. But y'all gonna get that money off. Oh, y'all gonna get that money off. Okay. I like it. Thank you, Gorgius Hair. You always come in the clutch, because guess what? I was definitely trying to braid my hair tonight, but that's not going to happen. So I'm going to wear this wig to work tomorrow. You feel me? So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.